The remains of Police Colonel Pergentino Malabed Jr., who died in an aircraft collision in the U.S. last January, arrived at the Ninoy Aquino International Airport or NAIA Friday morning. Before noon, he was brought to Camp Crame, Quezon City, given foyer honors, and received by his mourning family. After the arrival honors, his casket was brought to the PNP Multipurpose Center and was awarded the PNP Distinguished Service and Outstanding Achievement Medals. His remains will stay at the PNP mortuary and laid to rest on February 27 at the Manila Memorial Park in Santa Rosa City, Laguna.
Ang kanyang mga labi ay mananatili sa PNP mortuary Camp Crame hanggang Pebrero 24 kung saan idaraos ang necrological services bilang pagpupugay sa kanyang buhay at paglilingkod bago siya ihatid sa kanyang bayan sa Santa Rosa, Laguna. Naway magsilbing inspirasyon sa ating ang kanyang di matatawarang paglilingkod dito sa ating bayan.
Malabed is among the 67 people killed during the collision of a passenger jet and a Black Hawk helicopter over Washington, D.C. last January 29. Harley Valbuena from the National TV Network for a new and better Philippines.